Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna clean some floor pedals and I'm gonna show you how we do it with Garcia Brothers Mobile Detailing. So first I place this right here so that it catches all the dirt. Then spray it with some Express interior cleaner. Sometimes we use APC.
Okay.
Then I'll agitate it. Done a little agitation, you know. Detailing toothbrush. It's good for the crevices.
Why are you using Express interior cleaner instead of APC?
It's a little safer. It's much safer. It won't mess up any of these plastics next to the pedals.
Okay.
Get some steam. Look at that black coming out. You don't want that on the carpet. Hey, you don't want that on the carpet. Okay. Now to give it a dry. And it looks as good as new.
Very good.
Yeah. Why not, right? It's gonna be hard to catch. And there you have it.
There you go. So every little part touch.
Right there. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice. Alright, so that was our process on how to clean floor pedals. If you have any different methods that you'd like to share with us, or if you have any questions or comments, please like, share, subscribe, follow us on all of our social media, YouTube, TikTok, everything, Instagram, everything. Hope to see you soon.
All right. Check you on the next one, guys.
Yep.